In this video, we'll look at the large and small functions. Like min and max, you can get the largest, or in this case, the most expensive item in a list, as well as the smallest number in a list. But large and small allow you to specify that you want the second largest, or the third largest, or the second smallest, or third smallest, or fifth smallest, or whatever the case may be. So we could do this most expensive house simply using equals max and selecting all of those, and it will tell us that it's 6.5 million. However, if we wanted to know the second most expensive house, then we would use equals large, and the array is our range, and k is the number that we want, so we want the second largest. And this one's simply not formatted as currency, so apply this formatting to all of them. Then to know the cheapest house, we could use equals min and simply select everything there and get the cheapest house. And then to get the second cheapest house, we would use equals small. Our array is our range, and k is 2 because we want the second smallest. We could also use large to get the largest one as well, simply by specifying that k is 1, so it's the most largest, and the same with the cheapest or the smallest in this case.